Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Apeman A79 Action Camera. 4K resolution. I ordered this off of Amazon just a couple days ago. Showed up today. Got it on sale for $39.99. I've got a couple different GoPro cameras, other cameras that I use on a day-to-day basis. But the main reason I got this one, I'll show you here in a little bit, but also the fact that it was $40 shipped. So inside, let's see, flip it over, standard owner's manual, some basic information, hello, quick start guide. Here is the camera itself. Looks like we've got the full waterproof case. Some basic instructions there on how to get this open. An entire box full of accessories. Quite a few accessories. Have a couple zip ties, a clip-on attachment for clipping onto like a backpack or something like that. We have another cover for the case, a remote for starting and stopping video and taking a picture, tripod mount, more base mounts, extensions, 2 batteries, very nice, different length arms, a clamp for handlebar or tube or railing, a swivel clamp, some adhesive mounts, strap, more straps, charging cable, more adhesive, and a cable, security cable. And this is the main reason I ordered this particular camera. It is an external microphone. So this camera is capable at just $40 of having a 3.5 millimeter external mic. And the reason I'm gonna use this is because I want to try it in my motorcycle helmet. Action cameras make it very difficult to record voice while you're riding a motorcycle unless you have an external mic. The GoPro makes an awesome mod to adapt to a microphone, but A, they're sold out and you can't hardly find them anywhere. B, it adds another $80 or something to the cost of an existing GoPro, so I decided to give this a shot. So we'll see if we can figure out how to get this one open. Pretty standard as far as action cameras go. Nice little waterproof case there. Inside, little cover here. Looks like we have a power and mode button right on the front. An OK button there, and a touch screen on the back. Got USB, mini SD card, microphone. So, see if we can get this to open up. Looks like that might be a little bit tricky. We'll go ahead and get the battery installed and get it powered up, and I will be back in a second. And then the release here has to pull the door up, but it is right next to where your thumb is. So we'll get out one of our trusty knives, pull that down. This is definitely a weak point for this camera. But at $39, I'm not gonna complain too much. There we go, we've got that lifted up and out. And then we'll take the battery, make sure we're lining up the terminals correctly. this back on and see what happens when we power up. So we are powered up. We've got full screen here. So I do have to insert a card first before it will let me do anything. But it looks like we've got option to review footage, change resolution, so there's buttons on this side where we can scroll through, change resolution, OK to select, go down here to image stabilization, turn that on. We're definitely going to need that on the motorcycle. You can have it video loop in case you wanted to use it as like a dash cam or something like that. Or just keep recording until you catch something good. Time-lapse video, slow motion, audio record. And then we can go back here. Photo burst mode. Volume. Language, car mode. A lot of standard options in here. I'm gonna have to track down a card, get some video footage, and we'll see how it works out. I will keep you posted, do another review, let you know how the footage looks, add some footage, but for $39 and everything that's included here, with the charger, USB, the external mic being the most important for me, the waterproof case, the remote. I'm very happy for the money, and I think it will do well as long as the resolution and the image stabilization is halfway decent. So again, this is the Apeman 4K A79 Action Camera, and very happy with everything in the box. We'll see how it works.